Alright, so just a quick video. You see I'm coming back to back. Dropped the video yesterday, the day beforehand. Got the Scatpack right here. About to go meet up with two of the homies. One of them you seen in like two of my videos before, the white Charger Scatpack. And then it's also a Challenger RT. But it's like modded out. It's not the regular RT, like to the wheel. The HP is I believe he said it's 435 or something like that. So we're gonna meet up, get a couple of shots of the cars, get a couple of runs in, probably do like 1 or 2 races with each car and see what the outcome is, because he said he never raced a Scatpack before, but he want to race one because the HP is pretty much the same. Like, you know, this is 485, but to the wheel it's probably like you know, like 430, 440 or something like that. So it's gonna be a pretty much even matchup. Now, I don't know exactly what he got done to the car. I forgot what he said, but when I get there, I'll try to find out and I'll put that in the video. So I'm gonna go ahead, start this up real quick. Cold start real quick, boy.
Go down that way, yeah. Cause that shit, I got hella scared. That racetrack, that rail track is coming, and then the curve, man. Yeah, we gonna have to go that way.
I raced that way. Start was good though. Your both had a good start. Nah.
You want to do it?
At the honko, we just say 1, 2, 3. Huh? You want me to do the 3 honks? All right. Exactly. That's why I was like, bruh. Hey, that's what I was saying, bro. He had to remember. He said he was stock, bro.
Bro, he got the bad 702 racing and all. What up, Eddie?
Bruh, that's what I'm saying. Was he really stuck when he raced me, bruh? I don't know. I looked at that motherfucker. Oh, yeah. Damn, where they going rocks? I'm about to debadge my shit tomorrow. About to debadge it, take that Dodge shit off in the back. Oh yeah, he can't even put a hood on that bitch. That's hard, boy.
On my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here.